In this video, you'll learn how to find the style that fits you best, explore useful resources, and understand how to make necessary adjustments. Echo frames and Carrera Smart Glasses are a standard fit, best suited for high nose bridges, and come in a range of sizes. Each style is available in one size. Please visit our Find Your Fit guide on echoframes.com to help you find the best style and size for your face. Choose the pair that corresponds with your own face width, narrow, medium, or wide. With Virtual Try-On, you can see how our frames will look on your face before you buy. Virtual Try-On is available on the Amazon mobile shopping app on the product detail page for your preferred style. Each style has a size guide on the product detail page where you can learn more about whether the style will fit you. If you already have a pair of glasses that fit well, you can compare their existing frame's measurements against your preferred smart glasses style. To ensure the best fit, we recommend not comparing sunglass measurements to your prescription or blue light filtering glasses. You can also try them on in person by visiting our authorized retailers. Select styles are available for in-store try-on. Please see our Find Your Fit guide on echoframes.com for the list of locations. We recommend contacting the store prior to your visit. Visit a local optician if you need to make additional adjustments for a proper fit. They'll be able to adjust your frames as needed. Included in the box is an optician card that you can present to your eye care provider. We recommend they refer to the guide before making any adjustments. We hope you enjoyed the third generation Echo Frames and Carrera Smart Glasses. Visit echoframes.com, find your fit guide to learn more.